Here is my recipe for setting up a new dirty pot. I recommend, if you are a beginner, that you use an aluminium or aluminum pot, but the contents are exactly the same regardless of which metal composition you use. So you need to just give your pot a very quick clean. Don't worry if it's stained from previous eco printing experiments or natural dye. That is not a problem. Just give it a swill out and make sure that there's no grease in the pot. Half fill it with water. Add approximately a pint or half a litre of vinegar. And then, to help you achieve the strongest prints and color, you need to add a piece of rusty metal to your pot. Now, I'm not talking about 5 nails. I'm talking about a big chunk of metal, something like an old metal iron or a horseshoe. Because when we're working without using traditional powdered mordants, we don't have those metal salts in our pot liquid. But if we add the chunk of rusty metal, there'll be a reaction with the metal, the vinegar, the water in the pot, and it will help mimic to some degree the results that we would get if we were using the powder. So please do not leave out your big chunk of rusty metal. And then if you have any eucalyptus leaves or bark, you can add them to the pot now, turn the heat on and bring this liquid to a boil and boil it for 1 hour. And your dirty pot is ready to use at that stage. If you don't have any eucalyptus leaves, please don't worry. Work without putting any vegetation in the pot. So we're talking about water, some vinegar, a chunk of rusty metal, and optional eucalyptus vegetation. Bring the pot to a boil, leave it for 1 hour at that high temperature, and it is ready to use.